Hi girls and boys, welcome back. Today is May the 8th, 2020. And today we have the AM and PM classes together. And I'm calling this our field trip day because at the end of this video, I have below two special links for you to go to. And one is about hot air balloons, and it's actually called a field trip. And all the students in our school are having a field trip today, and I thought it would be a lot of fun if we could go on a field trip in a hot air balloon. Doesn't that sound great? So the second video actually is footage of a bunch of people in a hot air balloon. As it goes higher and higher, they have the camera that lets you see what the land looks like, what the blazing fire looks like inside of the balloon, and all the people in the balloon. So make sure on the description box below you go on our field trip together, okay? Also, I have a science experiment I did that includes balloons and air and transporting a big bus and also a boat at my house. So you'll want to see that as well. So I hope all of you go to the link below and participate in this field trip, a special field trip day for hot air balloons. So let me let you know what we're going to need. Always our name tags. And you're going to need a board or paper and Play-Doh. Our letter today, since it's hot air balloons, is going to be the letter B. So let's get started. First thing we're going to need, you know what it is. It's your name tag. Here we go. Take your time. Trace your name. Or write it on the line. It depends where you're ready to go with your education, whether you're there or not. Some of you are further along than others, and that's okay. We just want to do our best work. When you're finished, hold it up to the TV. I want to see how you're doing. Some of you need a little more time. Go ahead and put it on pause and finish your name. There, I see one. And another, thank you. Hold those up for me. I am so proud of your work. You should be proud of your work too. Is there anyone who thinks they could write the letter B for me? Oh, I have someone named Brantley and Blaze who have the first letter in their name that starts with the letter B. So they're kind of professional at this. They know how to do this really well. So here we go. Here we act like this is the bottom line of the piece of, or the line on the paper. So here's a B, straight line, and you go bump and bigger bump. So there we go, capital B. Now the lowercase b starts the exact same way. Still a straight line, but there's nothing on the top. It just has the bump or belly, if you want to think of it like a belly, on the bottom. Big B, little b. Uppercase B, lowercase b. Let's get our Play-Doh. Oh, I love Play-Doh. I hope your Play-Doh is still looking pretty good. I know we use this a lot. Let's make it into a snake. I'm going to show you how much it looks alike. I will put both matching pieces on my board. Check it out. Big B, little b, they both look exactly the same right now. So the uppercase B, or the big B, depends how you like to say it, has two bumps. Looks pretty good. So there is my capital B. Now work on your lowercase b. Uppercase is big and lowercase is smaller. So can we think of some words that start with B other than Brantley and blaze and balloon? Burrito, I like that one. Burrito is a good one. How about Aria? Banana, that's a good one too. Capital and lowercase, or uppercase, lowercase. Nice work. Any other B words? A name that starts with B that we haven't said yet. Bennett. That's a great one. Timmy, I know that you're new. Can you think of a B word? Beans. I love beans. That's another good word that starts with B. How about you, Josie? Beautiful. Beautiful begins with B too. The sound is B, B. How about boat? In the science time that I have, you will love the experiment. You get to actually see my bathtub, and it's going to be a cool, cool thing for you to do at home. So I hope you all participate in that. We're going to review our ABCs. Let's stand up. I see you on your couch. Get up. Come on. You're looking a little too cozy. It's time for school. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good singing. Today, like I said, is May the 8th, 2020. We're going to point and then clap to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. Now there are 4 names that I pulled from the AM class. Let's review these. Aria. Let's spell A-R-I-A. Let's count letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aria. Good work. Brantley. Let's spell B-R-A-N-T-L-E-Y. Brantley. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters in the name Brantley. Twice as many. Aria had 4. Brantley has 8. 4 and 4. Let's count all that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 and 4 makes 8. Next student, I for Isaac. Let's spell I-S-A-A-C. How many letters? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. Last but not least, another B word, blaze. B-L-A-Z-E. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters in the name blaze. If we doubled that, 5 and 5 more, what's that come to? Some of you know without counting from the beginning. How about if we just start at 5 and then we add 5 more? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. You can do that with your own hands. Now for the afternoon classes, we're going to quickly go through names and we're going to say the first letter. This student's name is JJ. Hey JJ. First letter, J. Jax. First letter again, J. Let's see if we have any other J names. Of course we do. Jessa, first letter, J. We have a few E names. Here we have E, Easton. E, Evelyn. We have one more E here. Elias. Elias. So we have 3 students and their names all begin with E, E, and E. Caitlin, different letter, starts with C. We have a few other C's, don't we? C for Chris. C for Christopher. Carson starts with K. Hi, Timmy. Timmy starts with T. Hayden, we have a Hayden in the AM and a Hayden in the PM class. H. Bennett, B. That's our letter of the day. B for Bennett. And last but not least, we have our friend O. Owen. Owen. Good work. Because you have so much homework, which are fun videos to watch, I'm going to go ahead and get started on our book pretty quickly today. This book is called The Story of Flight. Flight means flying, going up in the air. That's what we've been talking about all week long, flight. Today I'm going to focus on just part of this, and it's about balloons. On November 21st, 1783, an astonished crowd in France stared into the sky as the world's first passenger balloon floated by. Among the crowd were the balloon's creators. They thought smoke made things rise. They decided to capture smoke in a balloon to make it ascend, which is to go up. He thought the worst smelling smoke would work best, so he burnt old shoes, wood, and spoiled meat. The inventor didn't realize it was heat that expanded the air and caused the balloon to rise. Listen to that. Heat expands the air, and that's what makes balloons rise. The scientists weren't sure exactly how it worked, but they knew they wanted to keep trying. That's what scientists do. They just keep trying and trying and trying until something works. The Malgolfer brothers built a cloth balloon, or aerostat, 7 stories high for the November launch. Look how huge this balloon is. Wow. The balloon you're going to see on the field trip is in the Napa Valley in California, and it has over 10 people in the balloon. Have you ever seen a balloon so big that could hold that many people? It's amazing. Some balloons are massive. Here you go. Look at this book. The page flipped up. Look what happened. They burnt all that yucky smelling stuff, and it went up, 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 up into the sky. And that's how hot air balloons work. You have to have hot air that expands the air and makes the balloon float. It makes it go up in the air. I can't wait for you to watch the videos posted below and let me know what you think about our field trip. The whole week we've been studying air and air travel and how air helps things move. And through that movement, people have figured out that you actually can transport yourself, your person, you can transport items. Did you know that if you sent something, let's say a piece of mail, all the way to another country, and it's actually the piece of mail, like a piece of paper that you folded up and you put in an envelope, that it would actually be transported in a plane and go all the way across the ocean. Then it would land, and then there would be little trucks and take it around where it needs to go, and your piece of mail would be on a plane. Or if you fly and you take luggage, the luggage gets put underneath the bottom portion of the airplane, and that luggage gets transported on the plane along with you, so that when you arrive at your destination, like where you want to go, you have your luggage there waiting for you. That's how it's supposed to work. Sometimes they get the luggage confused and you might have to wait a little while for it to arrive. Now, if you go someplace like California where you're going to be watching the Napa Valley big hot air balloon, you can pay a fee and they will take you up in a hot air balloon and you'll be able to see all below you. How many of you would be willing to get in a hot air balloon? A lot of you would. I am so impressed with that. All of you are really excited about air travel. I know it's exciting to learn new things, and if you didn't know much about air travel before, you should know quite a bit now. We learned about the Wright brothers and how they were the first ones to get an airplane off the ground. And there's actually a neat picture in here. I wanted to show you that too. The Wright brothers flipped a coin to decide who could fly in the plane when they were trying to make it go off of the ground. And Orville was the winner. Here we have a picture of the Wright brothers right here. We have Orville and Wilbur. And they're brothers. And they work very hard on making their plane fly in the air. So they're very famous when it comes to air travel. What's neat about this book is it opens up in non-traditional ways. It means kind of uncommon ways. And you can see this picture. Here we have a picture of their plane. And we have a picture of them working and inventing. They had a lot of failures before they had successes. And what we like to say in our class, if at first you don't succeed, you try it again. Or when things get tough, we don't give up. I heard Tanner saying that back to me. Good work. Well, boys and girls, your assignment is to do the homework listed below and enjoy this field trip. Let me know how it goes. Your parents can dojo me and let me know how it goes. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.